So I want to tell you about this game called Overlap. This is a blend of, in my opinion, Uno and Dominoes. My dad's a big fan of Dominoes, so we usually play that at his house. And then with our friends on New Year's Eve, we played Uno. So as my wife would say, if Uno and Dominoes had a baby, this would be it. So first of all, a couple things to note is it does come with a QR code that you can scan to learn how to play and some explanation, and then even a quick story about who made the game. And what is fun about this is it's a little bit of strategy. So you have a discard pile, and the goal is to not overlap the colors. So if I've got this one, could I play this one on top of it? No, I couldn't because the two yellows overlap. So it's that kind of strategy. It's easy to pick up, easy to play. It can be done at home with two people, or it can be done with your family on the go with multiple people. Pretty cool game. I like it. I recommend it.